Okay, guys, got the 12s mounted in there. That's kind of a part two. Got the plywood. I did that over the particle board just because I wanted more for strength, and didn't want to get too thick of a piece here, because doing it this way I can get my trim cover back on over these. For the most part, I'll have to cut a few little tabs off that would normally go down here in the middle, but the trim piece should slide right in there. So I didn't want to have too thick of wood, and this is about it's close to half an inch thick, maybe a little less. And particle board would be pretty flimsy cutting it, especially with the narrowness between the speakers. So this was a stronger way, is why I decided to do that. But they look good in there. My thing now is I can't decide if I want the speakers to show, or just cover them up completely with that back dash cover. I was thinking about cutting out and putting in some of that black kind of the screen so you still kind of see them, but they're still kind of hidden. So that's this side. Let's go to the trunk. It sounds really good. My son has the exact same car, and we got actually 12s in a box in his, and I think these hit harder. I haven't heard his in a while, so I'm gonna listen to it. But these Volkswagens, they have a good back dash or deck, whatever you want to call that, space there. So these are 12s, so they fit pretty good in there. There were no speakers here to begin with, like some cars have, so it was really easy. Didn't have to take anything out, nothing in the way, just had to cut it. I started off with the Sawzall. The blade's a little too thick, so I ended up with a smaller blade and my little multi-tool to trim it up a little bit, and it turned out pretty good. The worst part is, you know, the car has all these holes, so you weren't always cutting a perfect circle because you'd run into these, but it turned out pretty good. And then you can see I got it wired, speakers wired to the amp, and I just got the amp sitting on the side, and it pushes these speakers good. But just wanted to give you guys a good view of how it turned out. I'll come back and trim those screws that are holding the plywood in, and I taped it just to keep some of the sharp edges around, because that is some sharp sheet metal, so be careful if you are doing this. But that's it. Thanks you guys for watching. Have a good day.